Welcome to my channel, dear viewer and dear students. See, today this is the discussion about the indeterminate form, which is related to the limits, and here is the rules can be applied here, L'Hospital rules, and this chapter is a syllabus oriented to the ISC and others different type of competitive exam. You can use these rules to solve the easiest technique. And now here is the indeterminate form is 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. Other indeterminate form like infinity minus infinity, 0 by infinity, like that, these also are called indeterminate form. But this form 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity form is called the evaluation of indeterminate. Okay, so let's start the rules here. For example, for a standard limit, that is ln, this is 1 plus x by x, this is the value is 1. But in that case, this chapter, if we put directly 0, then we get here log 1. Log 1 means this is 0, okay? And again, if we put 0, then we got here 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. Okay, 0 by 0 form. So we apply. So applying L'Hospital rule. Okay, so what is the L'Hospital rule? See, so rules is that differentiation of numerator and differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of numerator is here 1 by x, and differentiation again 1 plus x is here 1, and this is 1. Okay, if we put 0, then we got here 1. Okay, and for the another example, then we get clear view. This is x tends to 0. This is here x minus sine x, and this is here tan qx. See, so see, this is the 0 by 0 form. So apply the L'Hospital rules. So this is x tends to 0. If we differentiate, this is we get here 1, and this is here cos x, and differentiation of 3 times tan qx is 3 times square x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, again we differentiate, as we get here, this is 0 by 0 form. So we apply the rules as L'Hospital rules. If we differentiate, 1 is 0, you got derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so only here is sin x, and differentiation of that is 3 times of tan square x, so you got here tan square x, and sec square x, derivative of sec square is here 2 sec x, and derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, so sec square tan x, and now sec square is unchanged into plus sec square x, and derivative of tan square x, this is 2 tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so now divided by, for finding the standard form, this is divided by x on numerator and denominator part, and this is a 3. So see, there is a tan square, so this is tan square x, 2 into sec square x, and now tan x by x. This is here 2 sec square x, sec to the power 4 actually, and tan x means tan x by x divided by tan only x. So see, so this is 1, this is 1, sec 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, sec 0 is 1, okay? So we can apply the standard rules. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. So this is here 3 times of that. So 2 into tan 0, and this is here sec 0, and this is here 1 plus 2 into sec to the power 4 0, and this is also 1. So you can get here only 1 by 6. Okay, now check the answer. That's right. I think all you have better understood this problem. Very interesting question. Now I want to discuss the next problem. That is, see, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x whole to the power 1 by x. Okay, so let we apply the L'Hospital rules. So a is equal to tan x by x to the power 1 by x, taken log on both sides. So this is ln tan x by x. Okay, here limit x tends to 0, ln a, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x ln. So this is a tan x by x. So this is actually 0 by 0 form. So I apply the L'Hospital rules. So x tends to 0, tan x by x is 1. So log 1 is 0, and there is a 0. So 0 by 0 form. So we apply the derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. So derivative of x is here 1, and derivative of this is x by tan x, and derivative this with respect to u by v. This is an x square x sec square x minus tan x. Now simplify, and this is equal to limit x tends to 0. This is your x tan x, and this is x sec square x minus tan x, and this is actually 0 by 0 form. So I apply the L'Hospital rules. Again differentiate numerator and denominator part, and this is here sec square x, and differentiate x plus x into 2 sec x, and differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, and this is here u into v, and this is x into sec square x, and this is a tan x. Okay, and divided by x, limit x tends to 0, divided by x, this is 2 sec square x tan x sec square x tan x by x. This is actually 0 tan 0 0, and this is here 2, this is 0. Therefore ln limit x tends to 0 A is equal to 0, taking anti-log, limit x tends to 0, A is equal to e to the power 0, and that is equal to 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x to the power 1 by x is equal to 1. This is your answer. Okay. So next problem, and this is limit x tends to 0, a sin twice x minus b sin x and divided by x cube, and that is equal to 1. Find a and b. Find a and b, and this is CH 1996. So, and this is the Calcutta University honors in 1996 का problem है. So now let's start the solution here. So see, and this is 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form, so apply the Euler square rules. Limit x tends to 0. So differentiate 2a cos twice x, b cos x, and 3x square. As this is finite value, as the limit is finite and the limit is finite, the value of the limit is finite actually. So here x tends to 0, therefore 3x square. So 3x square tends to 0. Now this is 0 by 0, as the denominator part be 0, so numerator part also be 0. Then we get the finite value. So this is 1 here. So therefore we can write 2a, and now x tends to 0, we put here 0 minus b cos 0, and that is equal to 0. So then we get the relation between a and b. This is b equal to 2a. Now put here again x tends to 0, 3x square. In place of b, we can put here twice a cos twice x minus twice a cos x, and this is equal to limit x tends to 0. We take common twice a, and this is 2a by 3 here. So limit cos twice x minus cos x, and that is x square. And you know the formula, this is twice a by 3, and this is the sum and product, and this is cos c minus cos 2. You can write here 2 sine and 3x by 2, and this is here sine d minus c by 2. This is here minus, so this is doing here minus, so d minus c by 2. Okay, this is x by 2 and whole divided by x square. Now this is here minus 4a by 3, limit x tends to 0, so sine actually 3x by 2, by we can write 3x by 2, then it will be a 1. So now sine this is here x by 2, we can write here x by 2, so x square are balanced, but 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, this is here 3 by 4, so you can write for balancing the number 3 by 4. So this is here minus 4a by 3 into this is 3 by 4, and this is actually 4 cancel, so this is here minus a, and the limit of this equation be here 1. So now here this is 1, so this is equal to 1, this is given, so therefore a equal to minus 1. So therefore the b is equal to twice a, and this is 2 into minus 1. Now check the answer. This is a and b, question number b. or part 2. A is -1 and B is -2. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, follow my video, and next वीडियो में हम और कुछ इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म का प्रॉब्लम लेके आएंगे. देखिए, फॉलो कीजिए. ओके, बाय एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू.